So this is how to transfer an investment account from Simplii Financial to Wealthsimple. Once Wealthsimple is open, go to the bottom, select the third option or the third icon of the arrows pointing in opposite directions. Once you're on this page right here, if you're at the top, just scroll down a little bit to where it says Accounts and then select on where it says Transfer Account to Wealthsimple. Then press Get Started. Once you're here, if you were to scroll under Most Popular, you probably won't see Simplii Financial. No problem, where it says Search for your institution. Start typing in Simplii Financial, look for it, then select it. Once you're here, it's going to ask where are your investments held. I'm just going to press Simplii Financial for an example for this demonstration and press Next. Then once you're here, you can sign in through the app for a faster experience, or you can go to the very bottom and enter the information manually, which is what I will be doing. Then once you're here, you can select the account that you want to transfer over. So there's some popular accounts, savings accounts, etc. I will just go ahead and use the TFSA as an example and then press Next. Then once you're here, you'll then be able to enter the account number, fill in some other steps that are being asked, etc. And once that is done, you'll be able to transfer the account over. So that is how you guys can transfer the investment account from Simplii Financial over to Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.